Cravings aren't a weakness. They're a sign your diet needs an upgrade. Ditch the restriction and walk in these 3 Ninja Creami recipes: Mocha Chip, Rocky Road, and Tonight Dough. All of these are packed with at least 45 grams of protein and taste like premium pints. Let's get started with the Mocha Chip.
First, we'll be adding some of this ultrafiltered milk by Fairlife. This is the 2% chocolate milk. Ultrafiltered milk like Fairlife has most of the water filtered out, leaving you with double the protein and half the sugar. We'll be adding in 1.5 cups of this milk. Now for the coffee flavor, we're adding in some of this cold brew coffee concentrate. And do make sure it's the concentrate or else it'll be way too watery and make the pint way too icy. We'll add in 3 tablespoons or 45 grams of the concentrate. Now to add in some more of that rich chocolate flavor, we're using this unsweetened cocoa powder. We'll just be adding 1 tablespoon. And now to add in some sweetness without any calories, we're using this 0-calorie sweetener. We'll be adding 2 teaspoons. Now here is an important ingredient, Terra gum. This will ensure that we get a thick, creamy ice cream as opposed to an icy, gritty one. I prefer Terra gum over xanthan gum just because it's a little bit more natural and the texture is just a little bit better. But there's no issue with using xanthan gum. And now we're going to drop in some salt. And this isn't to make it salty, this acts as a flavor enhancer. In this case, it suppresses the bitterness from the cocoa and coffee and makes the sweetness taste cleaner and more intense. All you need is a pinch. And almost forgot a pretty important ingredient right here, the protein powder. I'm using this one by Optimum Nutrition. I find that this one in particular tastes really good in the ice cream and will give us 24 grams of protein for 120 calories. We'll drop in 1 scoop or 31 grams of the protein powder. Now we'll go ahead and blend it up. I'm using an immersion blender and I definitely recommend you go out and buy one. You're able to mix your ingredients right in the pint and you won't have to worry about the blade scratching the sides. It's very efficient, blends all the ingredients really well, and super easy to clean. Once it's all mixed up, drop it in the freezer for 24 hours.
Let's go ahead and spin the Mocha Chip. And like all the creamies today, we're gonna run this through some warm to hot water to defrost the edges just a little bit so it's not too icy. And once we're done with that, we're gonna run it on the light ice cream setting. Just ran the Mocha Chip on the light ice cream setting. Let's take a look. So that's what we got right there. And we definitely do not need a respin on this one. We're just gonna put a nice little hole in the middle. And I have 15 grams of these mini chocolate chips. You can go a bit more, but I think 15 grams is enough. And now we'll put it right in the middle of our ice cream. And I think these mini ones mix in a lot better than the bigger ones. I'll drop it right back in and we're gonna go mix in.
All this right here is 441 calories and 46 grams of protein.
Let's go ahead and give the Mocha Chip a try. You definitely get a lot more of the chocolate in there than the coffee taste. And I definitely recommend using the mini chocolate chips. They get kind of frozen when you mix them up. And being so small, they're not like these big icy blocks of chocolate in your ice cream. It just adds a nice crunch to it without breaking your jaw. If you like chocolate, you're definitely gonna like this one.
Next up, the Rocky Road. We'll add in the 2% ultra-filtered chocolate milk, protein powder, cocoa powder, 0-cal sweetener, Terra gum, and some salt. Blend it up and then freeze for 24 hours.
Now let's go ahead and spin the Rocky Road. Light ice cream setting. Rocky Road, all done spinning. This one came out looking really good. Go ahead and make a hole in the middle. Super creamy, as always. For the mix-ins, I have 5 grams of these marshmallows right here. I like these bits better than the regular ones. These mix in a lot better than regular marshmallows. It's just kind of messy with the regular marshmallows. These do the job. These are a little bit harder. And then also we'll be dropping in some of these sliced almonds, just 15 grams. Marshmallows and almonds to the middle, like that, and mix in.
This entire pint is 451 calories and 48 grams of protein.
A lot of people have been asking for the Rocky Road, so let's give this a try. Yeah, these marshmallows are the perfect mix-in. They stay 100% intact, and they're super sweet. Almonds, not so much. They kind of get a little bit more mixed in. Not the biggest fan of any nuts being in ice cream, but this tastes good.
Now up, the Tonight Dough. For this base, we're making a caramel peanut butter base, so we'll first add in some 2% ultra-filtered milk. I'm using this one by Sam's Club. It's about $1 cheaper than buying Fairlife at the regular grocery store, but if you don't have a Sam's Club membership, then using Fairlife is just fine. Protein powder, and now to add in some of that peanut butter flavor without too many calories, we're using powdered peanut butter. We'll drop in 2 tablespoons of the powdered peanut butter. Now for the caramel taste, we're using some of this caramel syrup. I'm using just the regular one. I want that genuine sweetness in my pint. But if you don't mind the taste of zero sugar caramel syrup and want to save on some calories, go ahead and use that one. Terra gum and some salt. Blend it up and freeze for 24 hours.
Let's go ahead and spin the Tonight dough. Light ice cream setting. Just ran the Tonight dough on the light ice cream setting. Let's take a look. Looking good. Go ahead and make a hole in the middle like that. And for the mix-ins on this one, we're going to use actual snackable cookie dough by Ben & Jerry's. This is the real thing. This is the ultimate balance of having the actual cookie dough and then our high protein base. So it's a win-win. You still get the sweetness of the actual cookie dough and then all the protein from the base. You could use those higher protein ones, but I doubt those taste any good, so just go with these. And then we'll be using actual Oreos, the Oreo minis. You could also use Oreo thins as well. And I have them measured out right here. 15 grams of the cookie dough and 15 grams of the mini Oreos into the middle. And drop it back in and hit mix in.
All this right here is 533 calories and 50 grams of protein.
And if you didn't know, Tonight dough is a Ben & Jerry's flavor. Let's give the Tonight dough a try. Using actual caramel syrup over the zero sugar one makes a big difference. You get that actual genuine sweetness. Yeah, you gotta add some more calories back in here, but definitely worth it. The nice rich caramel taste paired with that peanut butter taste from the PB Fit and just that crunch of the Oreos and the additional sweetness of the chocolate chip cookie dough. Super good. And you can also add a mix-in of 1 teaspoon of actual peanut butter for that actual genuine peanut butter taste. But I decided to leave it out this time just to keep the calories a bit lower. Still tastes really good.